Hi! I have company today. Amongst all of this self-isolation, I've been decluttering the whole house. I ended up doing a massive declutter of my makeup. Kind of just went through everything, threw it in a basket, and I'm going to explain why I'm getting rid of the stuff that I am, because it's a lot.
Here, where's your Cheshire cat?
I have before me a giant stack of brushes, fluffy and the like. They're all just individual brushes from certain sets that I just either have no use for, I literally just don't use them. The quality is just, I mean, when you get as many subscription boxes as I used to, you accumulate a lot of crappy brushes. Well, I'm not going to go through them all, but this is the amount. This is a good jar full of brushes.
Your hair's so shiny.
Okay, this is the only, these, maybe?
Hello.
Okay, so I got two primers here. The NYX pore filler, I'm getting rid of this because it's old. This is the Trace stick. I don't know, I had this for too long. That's the problem. It's pretty vulgar powder. I've never used this once. I think I may have maybe dusted myself on the face when I did this BoxyCharm unboxing. You'll have to check that video out. I'll find it, link it somewhere. Hi, hello, thank you. I don't use it. I just don't use it. And then I'm also getting rid of the Physicians Formula Complexion Brightening Complex Healthy Foundation. Not because I don't like it, but oh, this is old. Also, I don't wear foundation anymore. Are these all palettes? Rory, what am I doing? So I am finally moving on from the City Mini palette to this one is in Downtown Sunrise. I will probably repurchase this eventually, but right now I have a lot of new eyeshadows that are very similar to all of these colors that I need to use, and this is older, it doesn't perform the same, and as you can see, I have really gouged into this. I'm going to also be getting rid of this little Pacifica palette. This was from Ipsy, I think. Again, they're mostly neutral colors. The only reason I kept it was for this kind of weird 70s pea green, and I still never find myself using it. It's taken up space, yo. This that I've hardly used is this CoverGirl True Naked Dazed palette. This is the rainbowy one. I really, where are you going? Again, I don't use it. For bright colors, I have my Huda Electric palette, and I really, these days, only use bright colors for my Halloween makeup, and it is April. Take Me Home palette. I did a whole video on saving this palette. It was given to me, busted, because my friend knew that I could still do things with it, and I will link that video down below on how to fix busted dirty palette. I did it, and it's I actually have used it quite a bit, and it's mostly gone now. Cover Effects palette. I've used this twice in videos maybe, but I hate it. It's not the best quality, it is not the worst. He's busy. I'm gonna give this to somebody else who might actually use it, because I'm just hanging on to it for no reason. So I have some lip liners and eye pencils. These are just really shitty quality. Annabelle kohl liner that sucks, an Avon lip liner that sucks, and it's Avon, which makes it suck more, and then a Bodyography oh, don't grab the blanket. A pencil and an Illamasqua eye pencil that are crap. Getting rid of these guys. This is a terrible video, I'm so sorry. This is the e.l.f. pearlescent thing. I don't like it. And this one is the Eye Drama Liquid Glitter Eyeliner. It's also just not good. It's not what I want. And this is the Essence Super Last Liquid Liner. I actually like this one, but this is almost dried out, so it's garbage. I'm gonna get rid of this Essence Kiss the Mermaid lipstick. It smells delicious. I actually only bought it because it smelled like blue raspberry, kind of tasted like it, but it turns my lips a zombie-esque purple, and I don't wear it. Finally retiring my beloved Revlon Tickled Pink blush, because I do have NARS Orgasm, and the only reason I bought this one in the first place is because it is a drugstore dupe. Also, this one's a million years old now, so that can just go. Got a Maybelline Eye Studio black liner, and this thing from my makeup kit from school. It is old and dried out, and I've tried to make it work till now, and I'm finally throwing in the towel. This tiny little fucking thing of Rainforest of the Sea 4-in-1 spraying, spitting, I almost said spitting, spraying, setting mist is basically just alcohol, and I don't like it. Rid of this L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Primer, because I don't need it. This one shade of the Stila Eye Things Glitter and Glow eyeshadow in Kitten Karma, because I don't like it. This one's like the red one. Can you see? I don't know. There we go. I kept the really glittery ones. That one's a little too solid color for my liking. Three regular lipsticks. This is a Bite in Cherry Red. It's too red. It's too red. This weird fucking thing also this was from, I believe, my very last Yes Oh Yes box, bag, whatever the fuck they were, before I kicked them to the curb. And it's crap. This is old, and it's got, can you see that? You probably can't. My lighting is shit right now. I don't have my light on. There's bumps on it. This is from Maybelline, and it's old, and I never wear it, and now it's apparently growing things. Oops! Getting rid of these 3 lip glosses because they're sticky. Pixie, Honey Sheen, oh no. Where does this go, babe? Actually, though. And these other 2, this one is Belle on Argent, whatever, it's sticky. I don't like it. And this one is the Tarteist Lip Paint. Yeah, it's very sparkly, and I love the sparkle and the shade of it, and it gives a very nice tint to my lip. But it's sticky. I hate it. It's gone. Okay. Then the last things that I'm getting rid of, liquid lipsticks. So these are pretty particular. This one is NYX Lip Lingerie in Teddy, which was my very first liquid lipstick, and that is why I have to get rid of it, because it is old and drying out and it's a little clumpy. Doesn't look good anymore. This one is the ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in Panda. It is way too purple. I don't even use it for Halloween stuff anymore. The Essence Melted Chrome. I love this color. I know people hate metallic lips. I love metallic lips. And I really, really, really love these frosted, like, pinks and stuff on myself personally. But the feel of this liquid lipstick is god-awfully uncomfortable. Yes, here you can have it. Next is the Physicians Formula The Healthy Lip. I love the shade of this. I hate the formula because in this color in particular, it gets on everything. It just transfers so much. Speaking of things that transfer, the next one is, and I'm really upset about this one because I had high hopes for this, but this is the Fenty Beauty. This one was their holiday one. I don't know if it's a different formula from their regular ones, because sometimes the holiday editions are different, but this one is in the shade Underdog. I wore it in a video, just one, and it got all over everything, and it had to be a day I was wearing white. Fuck me, right? Okay. And the last one, and this is the last thing out of all the things, is this Pixie by Petra Matte Last Liquid Lip in Au Naturel. I love the color of this. I bought this because everyone on YouTube was ranting and raving about how comfortable these lipsticks were. I hated it. It was so uncomfortable. Personal preference. No offense if you really, really love this lipstick, guys. It's just, it literally felt like I took liquid latex, and I've done enough theatrical makeup on other people and myself to know the exact feeling of liquid latex on your lips. And that's what it felt like. It felt like liquid latex. Not a fan. Didn't like it. Someone else can use it. I'm sure I have a friend that might want it. If you are a friend and you want it, let me know. Call dibs. Go ahead. Put the lipstick down my shirt. Thank you. So that was it. That was my latest makeup declutter. I am down to very little makeup, guys, and it's a little frightening considering how much I had to buy specific storage just for my makeup, and now my makeup is condensed to a tiny square in the bathroom and the bottom drawer of my nightstand. Boop. Problem solved. We'll see ya in the next one.